Anti-inflammatory smoothie. For this recipe, you will need 1 fresh orange. Oranges boosts immune system, your body's defense against germs. They also make it easier to absorb iron to fight anemia. Oranges also helps your body to make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you smoother skin. Next, I have handful of fresh ginger. Ginger may fight inflammation. It eases the muscle pain and helps with weight loss. One cup of frozen mangoes. 1 cup of frozen strawberries, and 1 cup of frozen pineapple. No need to add liquid to this recipe as we are using fresh orange. Talking about the benefits of ingredients in our smoothie. Mango is a great natural digestive aid. It's loaded with vitamin C and A, which have antioxidant properties. Mango also contains polyphenols, which protect cells against oxidative damage. Strawberries improves complexion, promotes healthy hair, burns fat, and fights wrinkles. Pineapple has more than 100% of your daily value of this essential trace called manganese, which helps your bone formation, immune response, and metabolism. I hope this smoothie will be helpful to your health. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!